Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to eat Jollibee Yum Burger. So check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on. Going to open this. Delicious. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.